What's up, guys? Northern Arizona Outlaw Channel here, doing another video on Johnny's 2000 Mustang. So this one might be a little confusing if you look at it, because looks like a V6, but it's not. So, this is what's now under the hood. So, she's got a 302 out of a 1990s Mercury or Ford Explorer, one of the two. I can't remember where we yanked it out of, but it's got the GT40P heads, Summit Racing E303 Plus cam, little higher compression, underdrive pulleys, Chevy one wire, electric fan, mini HEI distributor, backed by a T5. Got a little bit more wiring to do. I'm going to probably clean this up so that it's in a fuse box, but that's temporary right now. Goes into a Holley fuel pressure regulator using a Chevy TPI injector, or not injector, pump. It's got an Eldebrock 600 CFM carb, shorty headers. Goes into a off-road X pipe, straight out the back into boreless stingers for a new edge, which is what this car is. And obviously you can hear what she sounds like. So this is Johnny's car. We put this car together in what, about 3 months?
Yeah, about 3 months.
So about 3 months for Fuel Fest. Planned on driving it down there, and immediately right before leaving had some issues with it, so we had to trailer it. These wheels aren't staying. He's going to be changing wheels on it. He's going to be changing some other things to it. But we even have it where literally all the gauges work in it.
That's a tack.
Yeah, tachometer. What? What the fuck? The tachometer is the only thing not working. We're probably going to put an aftermarket tach. We're going to fix it to where it is push button start instead of by the key. He wanted the push button start on it.
Race car life.
Yeah. So there's that. It's got a short throw T5 shifter in it. That was in it when we got it. The Pioneer stereo. And then he's got a single 10-inch sub.
Yeah.
Single 10-inch sub, and it works pretty good. Race steering wheel. Paint matched in the color of the engine and everything. It needs a little touch up because, again, this was all done in a hurry. This car actually came with something very rare. If you know new edges, you don't usually see sunroofs in them. So that's kind of cool. We did the GT bumper. It's got the sequential tails in it. But this thing's nasty. We just painted the wheels white. You can tell that we did it in a hurry because of overspray. It's just temporary for right now. Actually, it looks get an idea of what we're gonna do. So it's gonna be kind of a fun toy just to drive, but something we're hoping maybe to possibly turn it into what, a drift car?
Yeah.
So you can recognize the old headlights that I used to have, my old Cobra badge when I bought it, the yellow fogs that I put in mine. This Mach 1 splitter is actually was on the car when we got it. It actually survived the wreck. This car was wrecked. So we'll have Johnny give a little bit of a rev here. yeah, there she is. We plan on getting her repainted. One color. What color did you say you're gonna go with?
Probably red.
Probably another red car, because, I mean, Johnny loves red, obviously. So, any vehicle on the property that's red is more than likely Johnny's. But we're gonna do the white wheels again and everything. So, kind of where it's at, really. It was really just using a bunch of SN95 parts to fix it and everything. We bought the K-member used to be able to swap in there. These coils are actually Toby's coils out of his new Edge. They were too low for him, because somebody had 2-inch drop coils, and we sat there and decided to pull them out of his car, put them in this car. This car was stock height when we got it, so we dropped it with those drop coils. Toby's got my drop coils from my black new Edge, and then I've got Toby's coilovers that we put in his car. They didn't fit very good in Toby's car. We're not 100% sure why. It fits really good with my UPR K-member, so I don't know if maybe that helped or what, but yeah, I mean, that's what it is. Still using the factory power steering. I gotta clean up wiring and all. Like I said, we threw it together in literally like 3 months, literally. Some fine tuning on the carburetor still left, and get rid of this junky BDK clutch adjuster, because the clutch keeps having engagement issues, and I'm hoping it's just that. I may switch back to the factory on this, since this is running a factory V6 clutch. It's not running that much more power than what's stock, so it should be fine. The tapping you hear is actually the valve cover tapping the rocker. Because of the higher lift cam, I need to put a little bit taller valve cover or spacer, like a thicker gasket in it. Usually I run the Fel Pro Permadry ones, but this was in the kit, and again, we ran out of time for it. So, yeah, here she is. Hopefully you'll see a little bit more of this on the channel as we do a little bit more. I think Johnny's thinking about getting an angle kit for it. Maybe start something on the channel, doing a little bit of drifting. Maybe coilovers, that type of stuff. The springs were kind of just temporary type setup, so. But yeah, if you like what you see here, go ahead and hit a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Later.